In this video, I will show you how to delete your Instagram account completely. Okay, so to delete your Instagram account, if you have logged into the Instagram app, you can click on your profile picture on the bottom right hand corner. The interface may vary depending on the type of the device you are using, but it will be something similar. So when you click on your profile picture, you can see something like this. Then you go to the three lines on the top right hand corner. When you click on that, you will see settings. So you click on the settings, then you will see help center. You see the follow and invite friends, notifications, all that. Then when you go down, you see help. Then you go to help. Then you see report a problem, account status, help center. So you click on help center. Under help center, they will say how can we help you. So you will type delete account. So when you type delete account, you see delete your Instagram account. You click on that. As you can see, they are saying that when you delete your account, your profile photos and videos and comment likes will be permanently removed. If you would like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account instead. For security reasons, we can delete an account for you. You will need to be able to log into your account to request deletion. If you can't remember your password or username, see some tips for logging in. Okay, so to request the permanent deletion of your account, if you use the Instagram app on Android, you will need to go to instagram.com on a computer or mobile browser in order to delete your account. So for if you are using an iPhone, you may be able to delete it here, but if you are on Android, you may need to delete it on a mobile browser or on a computer. The terms keep on changing, so it may not be so depending on whatever instruction is there, you will have to follow it. So for now, if you are using an Android and you may have to go to a mobile browser or on a computer to do it, you will have to just go to your mobile browser and then you log in. So as you can see, I'm on my browser now. I'll just log in. So I will go to the settings, then go to the help center. So as you can see, help. Okay, so they are saying so that's the help center. How can we help you? So again, you type delete account. Good. So as you can see, I'll click on delete your Instagram account. So for here, I just have to come direct to delete your account. So when I click on delete your account, they will ask me, as I told you earlier, if I want to permanently delete it, or if I want to temporarily deactivate it. So for the deactivation, I can deactivate it if I want to. So if I want to deactivate it, I will click on temporarily deactivate your account. If I want to delete it permanently, I have to click on delete your account. So when I come to delete your account, they will ask me the reason. So why do you want to delete your davidasana.com? So I have to click and choose a reason. Maybe privacy concerns, can't find people, create a second account, whatever that I want to say, I will just have to say it there. And then after I choose the reason, they will allow me to go ahead to confirm the deletion. But as you can see, this is just a tutorial. So we do powerful videos like this that will help you to be able to set up you'll be able to run ads on Instagram or Facebook, and then a lot of other digital marketing related tips that will help you to really achieve your goals on digital marketing and all that you want to do. So remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. We have great videos every week that will help you. So don't also forget to leave your comments. If you have any comment or any question to ask, leave it in the comments section so that we can reach out to you to help you if you have any problem. Okay, so have a great day.